Man, should have shoot these Facebook reels, huh? That's all right. It's gonna be a long night. Nah. Nope. Decline. 9 for 9 with Doordash. That's a decline, fam. Say, oh, decline. Decline. Man, I need more fingers, fam. We've been declining like 20 in a row, huh? $3. Oh, hell no. Golly. $3 for 3 miles. Hell no. All right, that's like 23 in a row, fam. 23 consecutive declines. Nope. 24 consecutive declines. Man, we might hit that 50 consecutive declines today, huh? Oh, hell no. Nope. 26 consecutive declines. That's about 26 in a row. Yeah. Woo, man. Need to go get some of that migraine medicine after this. Well, Excedrin, yeah. I need a sponsorship from Excedrin, man. 26 consecutive decline, fam. Oh. Double stack for 950, 4 items. Nah, that's 6 for 9. Oh, man. Got a screenshot it. Hold up. Yeah, the iPhone 8 is too hard. You can't screenshot with one finger. I mean, with one hand. You know, on the new iPhones you can, but not the old one. Nope. All right, 27 consecutive declines. Man, we on fire today, huh? Nope, not feeling that one either. All right, that's 30 consecutives. That was a double stack. Nope. All right, let me highlight this, man. It's gonna be a good replay.